The COVID-19 virus has caused the recent pandemic. The COVID-19 virus may affect the thyroid gland. It may induce subacute thyroiditis, which is a post-infectious inflammatory thyroid disease. It may also induce Hashimoto's thyroiditis, which is an autoimmune thyroid disease, thyroiditis, and may also induce or aggravate Graves' disease. All these novel and interesting ideas will be discussed during the 14th International Congress of Autoimmunity, which will take place in Ljubljana, Slovenia, between the 17th and the 20th of May. You are welcome.